Close the cupboard. الماری بند کړه. Close the cupboard. Open the door completely. دروازه پوره کولا وکړه. Open the door completely. Keep the clothes properly. جامې په سمه توګه کېږده. Keep the clothes properly. What happened? څه چل وشو. What happened? Nothing happened. هیڅ چل نه دی شوی. Nothing happened. Did you try? آیا تا خڅه وکړه. Did you try? خڅه یعنی کوشش. You are not able to trust. ته د باور لایق نه یې. You are not able to trust. Come with me. ما سره راځه. Come with me. Give up bad habits. خراب عادتونه پرېږده. Give up bad habits. Don't trouble him. هغه تنګوه ما. Don't trouble him. Try to understand. د پوهېدو کوشش وکړه. Try to understand. Don't fight. جګړه مه کوه. Don't fight. Is anyone there? دغلته څوک شته. Is anyone there? It's no need to go. د تللو ضرورت نشته. It's no need to go. Be sensible. پوه جوړ شه. Be sensible. Tell me your age. خپل عمر راته ووایه. Tell me your age. I am sorry. زه معافي غواړم. I am sorry. Look around. خوا و شا وګوره. Look around. Don't lose heart. همت مه بایله. Don't lose heart. What was that? دغه څه و. What was that? Put on the shoes. پایزار په خپو کړه. Put on the shoes. Get up the shoes. پایزار وکاږه. Get up the shoes. یعنی د خپو نه پایزار وکاږه. Stop watching porn. فون کتل بند کړه. Stop watching porn. Follow him. هغه پسې ځه. Follow him. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ. هغه تعقیب کړه. Don't lie to me. ما ته دروغ مه وایه. Don't lie to me. I am sick. زه ناروغه یم. I am sick. Now keep the phone. وس فون کېږده. Now keep the phone. Don't create the scene. تماشه مه جوړوه. Don't create the scene. Don't gesture. اشاره مه کوه. Don't gesture. It's very cold today. نن ډېره یخني ده. It's very cold today. Don't drink cold water. यही उबा मस्का. Don't drink cold water. Give me some water. माल लगी उबा राकड़ा. Give me some water. He is a greedy man. هغه لالچی سړی دی. He is a greedy man. Let's play. ځای چې لوبه وکړو. Let's play. I have no interest. زما هیڅ دلچسپی نشته. I have no interest. Change yourself. خپل ځان بدل کړه. Change yourself. Run upstairs. بره په پوړو منډه کړه. Run upstairs. Is this true? آیا دا رښتیا دي؟ Is this true? Respect the elders. د مشرانو عزت کوه. Respect the elders. Are you listening? آیا ته اورې؟ Are you listening? What were you doing? تا څه کول؟ What were you doing? I need your help. ستا کومک ته اړتیا لرم. I need your help. اړتیا لرم یعنی ضرورت لرم. Have a nice day. ورځ دې په خیر. Have a nice day. Why are you sad? ته خفه ولې؟ Why are you sad? What do you want? ته څه غواړې؟ What do you want? He came on time. هغه په وخت راغی. He came on time. This is a bad thing. دا یو بده خبره ده. This is a bad thing. Let's eat something. ځای چې څه وخورو. Let's eat something. I am starving. زه ډیر وږی شوی یم. I am starving. We are helpless. مونږ بې وسه یو. We are helpless. What did you say? تا څه وویل؟ What did you say? Don't hang up the call. فون مه کټ کوه. Don't hang up the call. Don't hate me. ما نه نفرت مه کوه. Don't hate me. Show me another one. ما ته بل یو وښیه. Show me another one. He is a careless boy. هغه لاپروا هلک دی. He is a careless boy. Walk slowly. په قلاره ځه. Walk slowly. Do your best. د خپل طرفه ښه وکړه. Do your best. Never forget. هیڅ کله مه هېروه. Never forget. Don't come with me. ما سره مه راځه. Don't come with me. Find the solution. حل یې وګوره. Find the solution. I feel good. زه ښه محسوسوم. I feel good. Feel good. ښه لګي. Feel good. Heat up the tea. چای ګرم کړه. heat up the tea. don't take risk. خطر مه اخله. don't take risk. there is nobody here. دلته هیڅوک نشته. there is nobody here. or یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ nobody is here. دلته هیڅوک نشته. nobody is here. leave him alone. هغه یوازې پرېږده. leave him alone. is he going. آیا هغه ځي. is he going. don't waste time. وخت مه خرابوه. don't waste time. I should go. ما لره تلل پکار دي. I should go. who is going there. هلته څوک ځي. who is going there. I don't like. زما نه دی خوښ. I don't like. who is there. هلته څوک دی. who is there. as you please. چې څنګه ستا خوښه وي. as you please. there is something wrong. څه خو ګډوډ دي. there is something wrong. let him go. هغه تللو ته پرېږده. let him go. what did he say. هغه څه وویل. what did he say. I am leaving. زه وځم. I am leaving. this is good thing. دا ښه خبره ده. this is good thing. who are you. ته څوک یې. who are you. who is he. هغه څوک دی. who is he. who is she. هغه څوک ده. who is she. let him speak. هغه خبرو ته پرېږده. let him speak. let me speak. ما خبرو ته پرېږده. let me speak. who came first. اول څوک راغی. who came first. don't be hesitate. زړه نازړه کېږه مه. don't be hesitate. show anything else. څه بل څه وښیه. show anything else. or یا show anything else. څه نور څه وښیه. show anything else. it's all over. هر څه ختم شو. it's all over. always remember. تل یاد ساته. always remember. تل یاد ساته یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ همیشه یاد ساته. walk more slowly. نور په قلاره ځه. walk more slowly. or یا walk more slowly. نور ورو ځه. walk more slowly. you are expert. ته ماهر یې. you are expert. it's a little costly. دا لږ ګران دی. it's a little costly. wake me up. ما پاسوه. wake me up. have your food. خوراک دی وخوره. have your food. let me find. پرېږده چې زه یې پیدا کړم. let me find. stand by me. زما ملګرتیا وکړه. stand by me. be patience. صبر کوه. be patience. answer the phone. فون اوچت کړه. answer the phone. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل پی ای ایوریون سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. تھینکس فار واچینګ.